This is the Gears X3 WarmTech leather glove. Now when taking a look at the WarmTech X3 from Gears, the first thing I want to point out is that this is an electric heated glove, and it's designed to work only with the Gears X3 system. Do not use this with the previous X2 or any other previous models as well. So remember, the X3 works only with the X3. Now taking a look here, I am working with a size large. I have a 9-inch measurement around my palm. Now taking a look at some technical features. First and foremost, this is designed to work perfectly with the Gears or any heated jacket from Gears as well. The cord plugs into the sleeve and you're good to go right off the bat. If you do not have a Gears jacket, you can use this independently or also with the Gears vest, but additional cords are needed to be purchased to make everything work properly. Now taking a look at the X3 here, this is going to be a drum-dried supple leather glove, which means it's going to be very soft, it is going to be waterproof, it's going to be windproof, and it's also going to be breathable. Everything you need in a winter glove. Now taking a look at some more features here. On the back side, we do have an elastic or a hook and loop wrist adjustment, and also our waist gaiter on the back side here is also going to be Velcro as well. I do want to point out this is going to be an extra long gauntlet just to make sure you get that perfect seal from glove to jacket. Make sure you stay nice and warm and dry. Very important here. Now moving down to the glove itself here, on the left glove, you can see we do have a goggle squeegee, which is going to be perfect for making sure you get that moisture and water off your goggles, making sure you have a nice, long, comfortable, and most importantly, safe ride as you're out running around the trails. So again, this is going to be the Gears X3 WarmTech glove. I do want to point out real quick here, 27 watts of heat, 2.2 amps, and the heating elements run the entire backside of the palm, down each of the fingertips, and the thumb as well. So lots and lots of warmth here.